Doodles, it's Smurf here. So pretty excited. Finally on to the green range of the Faber Castells. So yeah, burning through my pencils. Well, pencil unboxings, so that's pretty cool. Also, I'm happy. How does this work? Maybe like that. Oh, and there's another one there. Right, so I thought I'd just go ahead and see what's in the box. I don't think this comes with a little leaflet, which is kind of disappointing. I like leaflets. I like informational leaflets. Anyway, let's have a look at the box now that we've got that out. So on the box it says, under Great Britain, 30 artists, watercolour pencils, acid-free pigments, unsurpassed light fastness, soft vibrant colour laydown, fully water soluble lead. I would hope so, being a watercolour pencil. Thick 3.8mm lead, which is nice, and it's got the SV bonding, and it's got a water brush and a pencil roll. So I just bought this because it was on sale at the time when I bought it, and I have used this pencil. I pulled it out without actually unboxing it, so this is the first time I've actually looked at the roll and the range of the colours that come in it. So I'm pretty sure this one only comes with 30. Yep, 30. So pretty cool. Not worried about, disappointed but not worried about the fact that it doesn't have a brochure, because, well, as I've said and have a video about the colour code system that Faber Castell have, all of these should, coincide with these. But obviously we don't have all of them, so we'll just double check. First colour is cadmium yellow, and that's 107, so yep. Is the light fastness the same on this pencil? Interestingly, not. Interesting. Fair enough though. Different range, I guess. So there's that one. Second pencil is beige red 132. Where does that come? Around here somewhere? Yep. That's correct. Light fastness, 2-star instead of 3-star with the polychromos. What we got here? Dark chrome yellow, 109, 2-star. Polychromos is 3-star for light fastness. Orange glaze, 113. Yep, same name. Polychromos has 3-star light fastness, and this has 1. Oh, they've got bigger holes. Alright, let's pull these ones out and have a look at this. So it's optional what you can put in here. That's pretty, oh, I could have seen it down this end. That's pretty cool. Because these are sold open stock, I can probably expand this little set a little bit. I don't think that, because I have the full set of the polychromos there, I don't think that I would need the full set of the Albrecht Durer. My idea with the watercolour pencils, aside from perhaps wanting to do some watercolour pieces, is to use the watercolour as a base layer from time to time, rather than using all of my polychromos pencil, because figuratively there is very slight deviation in the saturation or the value of the colour, but the hue as such is probably the easiest way to put it. If the numbers match in here, the hue matches throughout the Faber Castell lines. Anyhow, so that's a first look at these. I'm a little bit bored at the moment of swatches, so I will get onto the swatch. I will do it as a separate video and swatch it out, and that'll just basically be a advertisement video to get your free swatches, because these will be free when they're organised in the Faber Castell colour order, and I will make swatches up for all available Faber Castell sets that I can, you know, find out which colours are available in the set. Those will be for polychromo sets and these Albrecht Durer sets as well. It's such a rambler. But aren't they nice? I actually really like this roll. Don't have pencil cases, and I don't, until now that I've finally got it out of the box, have a roll. So that was easy to undo. I've got some cheap ones like this, and sometimes, oh, it's pretty free now, but sometimes it's quite hard to unscrew them. Liking the portability of that. Oh, on the box it says, I've just counted 46. I might have to count again. But it says space for up to 45 individual items. Okay, so there's actually 46 on this. I did not count wrong, so there's 46 in my roll for some reason. So if you're a leaflet fiend like me, this set does not come with one. So until next time, guys, keep on doodling.